Luxury Properties International would like to introduce you to the beautiful Hammond Park subdivision with absolutely amazing lifestyle. We're located 5 minutes from the ocean and right by the clubhouse, Lake Worth Publix downtown, fine dining, 15 minutes to airport. This unit is featured a beautiful kitchen with island granite countertops, stainless appliances. We have here beautiful refrigerator by Frigidaire. We have microwave and a beautiful Frigidaire oven stove, six 5 electrical burner with oven and a beautiful Kenmore dishwasher, stainless appliances, fixture granite countertops. This is unit operated by Central Air and hot water heater is this is heart of the house and this is located right here. We also have a powder room which is very convenient to be here and right next to the kitchen area, family room area. So and you can see it has a big huge size of the living and family room. You can put your sofa here and this is your TV station, conveniently access to the beautiful balcony and you can see it. Let's get step for a second. This is the balcony. This is next door balcony. They have a construction right now next door. Very soon brand new units coming in here, more units. But you can see it, additional parking by the unit. This is the Publix area. We're going back to the unit. We can see it right now. This is layout. And let's walk to the third floor. This is unit has 3 floors. There's a new carpet here. Everything is freshly painted. We have a molding. So one of this bedroom, smaller bedroom, is located in a back up to the property. Let's see this. So it has window treatments is available. We can see new construction is going on right now in the back of the property. So this is we have 4 units, full bathroom with tile floor. We also have hurricane proof protection. All house has a hurricane proof protection. Nice tiles by the ceiling. Nice size walk-in closet. It's a very high ceiling. It's a 13-foot high, which is modern construction. It's built in 2007. We have here new washer and dryer, like a top and bottom. This by General Electric. And now voila, master bedroom, double hanging door, so you get a beautiful access to your master. If you have a extra size king size bed, it's easy move in, move out. This is perfectly fit king size bed. We have another romantic balcony right here, so we can see it from here. Ocean, golf course, downtown West Palm Beach, Lake Worth. We can see this the same type of balcony we have in second floor, and this size view of Publix and Burger King. Yeah, we are close. We are right around the corner. I have a bus stop, so if you don't drive, again, you can use the bus stop and all way conveniently to the shopping area, even going to the train station. Right now we're in a master bath. We have a double sink here, tile floor, big mirror, separate toilet here. Absolutely nice shower, walk-in closet, access to the attic, your internet cable provider, alarm system, everything is set up here. Again, unit is freshly painted, is excellent condition, carpet is new, window treatments is provided. Every room has a fan additional to your central air. And right now we're walking back to first floor, because this unit has a 3 floor altogether. And by the way, this is Valentina, Luxury Properties International. Valentina's telephone number 201-838-4838, and we're live right now from Lake Worth, Hammond Park, beautiful Hammond Park subdivision. As we're walking right now in first level of this unit, this is the main entrances here, and another beautiful den area you can use as a living room, you can use as a additional room or office. And we also have another powder room. So my dear friend, you totally have 3 bedroom, 2 full, 2 half baths, and lifestyle, 5 minutes to the ocean. So thank you for watching. We also have 2-car garage, and we can show to you right now 2-car garages, oversized car garages right here. So this is absolutely amazing place to live. And front entry, let's see the front entry as well. So this is the front entrance of the unit. It's accessible from garage side and front entry. Unit 76, and this is 810 3rd Avenue, Unit 76, listed by Luxury Properties International. Again, Valentina's number 201-838-4838 for all your real estate needs. If you're looking to move in, if you need to sell, if you need to rent, if you need to buy, invest, residential, commercial, leasing division.